Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Apex Legends not launching. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to type here enable Xbox Game Bar. Make sure to turn off Xbox Game Bar and then go to graphics settings, turn it on. Now go to Windows Update settings and check for updates. And that's it. Now make sure to install all the updates that you can find and go back and then go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates, and now make sure to install the latest update that you can find here. And that's it. After that your problem must be fixed, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.